Okay, so everybody has a pencil, paper, and a ruler. Okay, so today we'll be talking about variety. Can anyone tell me what variety is in art?
Variety is whenever.
Talk louder.
Variety is whenever different things are used as contrasts.
Yeah, that's a good answer.
So like different textures and different colors.
Anyone else? No? Can anyone tell me how this painting includes variety?
It has lots of different colors.
Colors, shapes.
A bunch of cool colors.
Yeah, I know, I like it. They're kind of like abstract looking. There's lines. Anything else?
Different fadings of different colors.
Yeah. And there's like white spots everywhere.
Like tunnels.
Yeah. Okay, so variety is a principle added by the artist to create interest by using art elements like shapes, colors, or lines by placing them at different places, positions, or angles in the artwork, like you can see in this piece of artwork. Unity and harmony are actually like different. So unity is a quality of wholeness and oneness that is achieved by proper use of art and elements and principles. And harmony is the visually satisfying effect of combining similar or related elements all together. So like using all of these. Okay, so that's what, just get that in your head. Just think about how you can use shape mixed with unity, form mixed with pattern, stuff like that. So this artist over here, he created this. He was around during like, well, it says 20th century, but I thought it was like the 1800s or something. But he would like cake on oil paint. Like it would be like really thick and layered. So here is a great demonstration of variety. His name is Tom Thomson. So you can notice all the different colors he uses, lines, shapes, brushwork, and so the end result is like, you know, really cool looking all together. But we're gonna watch a little bitty video that kind of explains it a little more. It's kind of boring, but it's okay.
Let's take a closer look at the principle of variety. Achieving variety involves the use of differences or contrasts. We can have variety with shapes, variety with forms, variety with colors, variety with lines, variety with textures, and variety with spaces. Let's take a look at how Paul Klee used the principle of variety. The artist used a variety of similar shapes. Norman Rockwell is a very well-known American illustrator. We can imagine a humorous story that goes along with the characters in this painting. The artist enriched this story with an interesting variety of detailed portraits, giving the illusion of realistic forms. M.C. Escher is well known for his precise artwork that has a strong connection with mathematics. In this work of art, Escher gradually varies the positive and negative space to create an intriguing trick of the eye. In another work of art, Escher used a variety of lines to create an intriguing illusion of rippling water. Let's take a closer look at how Henri Matisse used the principle of variety in his artwork. He used a variety of saturated colors in these two paintings. What would these paintings be without the bright colors? Banksy is a popular street artist who often used his artwork to make social comments. We can see that Banksy used a variety of rich textures found at the location that he chose for his artwork. What would it be without this variety of rich textures? This variety of textures adds to the success of his artwork. Let's try it. We can look at the artwork of Paul Klee for inspiration. He used a variety of colors and shapes in his artwork. What would this painting be without variety? We can see that the success of this
So like, I hope that breaks it down better for y'all. So variety is just using all the different principles and elements of art. But like this, like that's real boring, right? So you want to add color, line, shape, all that stuff to it. Okay, so today we'll be making something like this. It kind of just helps you understand how there's different ways to create a piece of work. Here's the one I made. So we're gonna break it up into 9 sections, and then in each sections you're gonna do like a different style. Okay, so you don't have to do a tree. You can do a tree, but it's totally up to you. Takes forever. Okay, so here's some examples I did. Just little pictures. So you can do line in one of these rectangles. You can do dashes. You can do pointillism, spirals, words. Words is fun. But you write it a lot. Cubism, abstract blobs, or realism. So you can see it in here. I did pencil, line. I did a bunch of circles. Here's the blobs, abstract blobs. I did pointillism. I wrote grass a million times and dirt, and then I wrote trunk in a different color. Cubism, and here's like a bunch of dashes. But you can come up with your own, but try to do one. Don't do something twice. Okay, so don't do like 2 pointillism. Try to do a different thing in each one. I mean, it's kind of challenging, but you can use all my examples right here. And so you can just put them. You don't have to do a tree. You can do anything you want. Just make sure you fill up every. I just lost what I was saying. Make sure you fill up every rectangle. So you're gonna break up your piece of paper. So it's 12 by 9. So make sure you use the inches, because I had a student use centimeters. So just measure it. And so 12, you're gonna break it up into 3 rows. So you're gonna start at 4, mark 4, and then you're gonna mark 8, and then do it for the other side. And then that way you can connect them like this, mark it so it's a straight line. I had a student earlier who didn't want to use his ruler, and he just freehanded it, and it was really bad, so don't do that. Oh, yeah, that looks good. And then down here, break it up, it's 9 inches, so you're gonna do 3 inches right here, and then 6 inches right here. I have it on the board if y'all get confused or lost. But do that. But I'll leave this up here for y'all to look at. I can pass around my example if you want to see it up close. I'll leave this up right here. But you can definitely use all these if you want. You can make up your own. You can use the markers. You can use the, what's it called? Matte pencils, or you can use like the prism colors. That's what I use for this, and it turned out really good. So you can do a tree. You can do, what has everybody else done? I've seen an eyeball. Someone did an eye, an Easter egg, stuff like that. So does anyone have any questions?
Does it have to be one big picture, or can it be a bunch of small ones?
One big picture. Yeah, I had someone do a bunch of little eyeballs in each one. And so yeah, try to do one big picture. That way it's creating harmony and unity in between it.